At Kiot, we partner with OEMs to design, customize, and launch smart applications tailored to each brand's requirements. Our capabilities span motor selection, PCB design, manufacturing, firmware development, and custom mobile applications. From kitchen appliances to climate and air movement solutions, we deliver end to end product engineering, not just components. What you will see next is a snapshot of appliance platforms we already support and customize for our OEM partners. Let's start with our smart chimney platform. It goes beyond just the basic touch controls and motion sensors. We have also added three additional sensors: gas sensor, a smoke sensor, and a temperature sensor. The chimney automatically turns on and adjusts fan speed based on real time environmental changes. If gas leakage, smoke, or excessive heat is detected, the system reacts instantly without user intervention. For safety, LPG gas leakage alerts are pushed directly to the mobile application, enabling immediate corrective action. On the maintenance side, an internal heater and drip tray are integrated for self cleaning. Heater mode can be activated manually or through the application. Residual oil is heated and drained, keeping exhaust tubes clean and maintaining long term efficiency. All logic, thresholds, and UI flows are fully customizable for each OEM brand. Next, let's talk about our smart cookers. It is a platform built on multi-purpose cooking rather than a single function appliance. It supports variable temperature control from 10 to 100 degrees Celsius, enabling precise thermal management for a wide range of recipes. In addition to cooking rice, the appliance can be used to prepare other items such as curd, sambar, and other temperature sensitive dishes. By combining accurate temperature control with smart presets and automation, the cooker ensures consistent results across repeated use. Both the hardware configuration and the software experience can be customized, allowing OEMs to define cooking modes, user interface, and feature sets aligned with their target customers and marketing position. This image shows a reference design of one of our smart cooker PCBs. Now let's move on to our smart kettle. It redefines a traditionally simple appliance into a versatile cooking solution. Instead of being limited to just boiling water, the kettle now supports adjustable temperature control, similar to our smart cooker platform. This enables multiple use cases, including boiling milk, cooking eggs, or even preparing Maggi with even consistent heating and controlled temperatures. By maintaining a stable temperature throughout the cooking process, the kettle delivers improved consistency, safety, and energy efficiency. The control logic, temperature presets, and mobile application experience are fully configurable, allowing OEM partners to position the product for different user needs and usage scenarios. This image shows a reference design of one of our smart kettle PCBs. Let's move on to our smart geyser platform. It is engineered with real world bathroom environments in mind. It supports IoT based schedules and automated workflows, allowing users to align heating cycles with their daily routines. The system also tracks energy consumption, enabling insights into usage patterns and efficiency improvements. Since internet connectivity in bathrooms is often unreliable, critical logic such as scheduling and timekeeping is stored directly on the internal IC using an onboard RTC. This ensures that smart features continue to function even in the absence of a stable internet connection. In addition to electronics and software, the mechanical design and enclosure can be customized to meet OEM requirements for form factor, installation, and aesthetics. This image shows a reference design of one of our smart geyser PCBs. Let's move on to our table fan platform that is currently under development with multiple OEM partners, with its initial product launch planned in the upcoming months. The electronics, which are typically in the base of the fan, are now strategically positioned in the top 40% of the fan body, improving thermal performance and serviceability. The platform also features a modular mechanical design that now supports different mounts and stand configurations. Also planning to install a front-mounted touch interface right here, providing an elegant, modern, and intuitive user experience. The fan supports motors operating in the 1300 to 1500 RPM range, depending on the manufacturer's specifications, and includes a dedicated in-house designed motor control PCB that can be customized per partner requirements. This image shows a reference design of one of our smart table fan PCBs. Let's talk about our BLDC fan platform. It is available in both standard and premium configurations to adjust different market segments. Depending on OEM needs, we can supply the fan body from China or integrate with partner-provided mechanical components. The platform supports multiple motors and PCB combinations in the 60 to 70 watt range. Both RF-based and full IoT-enabled variants are available. The fan supports three core operating modes: breeze, smart, and reverse. All firmware logic, remote behavior, and mobile application interfaces are fully white labeled and customizable. This image shows a reference design of one of our BLDC fan PCBs. Across every appliance category, our approach is centered on flexibility, customization, and scalability. We enable OEM partners with end-to-end capabilities that include motor integration, custom PCB design, manufacturing, embedded firmware development, and tailored mobile applications. Whether launching a new smart appliance or upgrading an existing product line, we help brands accelerate development while maintaining differentiation and reliability. We look forward to collaborating with OEM partners to build the next generation of intelligent appliances.